Hi, my name is Kyle Cannon, and I am speaking to you today from Furniture Fair, a home furnishings retailer based out of the Cincinnati, Ohio area with 12 store locations across Ohio, Kentucky, and Indiana. My role here at Furniture Fair is the digital marketing manager, and so I'm going to speak a little bit about my efforts in digital marketing and some of the challenges I've overcome. My email platform, first and foremost, was kind of underperforming. My CSM touched base maybe once every few months, and I was just not generating new ideas so much, and I was having some deliverability issues reaching people's inboxes, and I just wasn't sure how to fix that. For examples, some of those limitations I was having was not being able to show product pricing in my email campaigns because the pricing wasn't dynamic. And if a customer opened up an old email, viewed that product, the price could be different from what they would see on the website, and that caused a lot of headaches for us in the past. Also, product recommendations on the website were not taking into account in-store purchase activity and combining that with the website activity. So my product recommendations weren't quite reflective of what was happening in store. It was only reflecting what was happening online. In addition to that, my tech stack was growing larger, getting more expensive, and many of the businesses I was working with, they started bleeding into one another with their newer offerings, so it became time to consolidate. So the criteria I was looking for to find a new partner, that CSM, Customer Success Manager, that was priority number one. Having someone that was bought in on my strategy and knew kind of how to evolve it beyond the challenges I was experiencing. So that led me to finding Maestra. And what I really liked about it is I've got 2 dedicated CSMs. We chat on a regular basis, and they've really been innovating in ways I never expected to help me overcome all of these challenges. From email sign-up pop-ups on the website, to the product recommendations, to ad optimization with my campaigns running on Meta. All across the board, they've been instrumental in helping me with every little task, every step of the way. In that daily communication that I am having with them, my efficiency is through the roof because I can send them ideas throughout the day, and they're always replying, always responding, and yeah, they're just really great at taking those ideas and turning them into action items, throwing them on a to-do list, and that next thing you know, we're tackling those ideas the next day. Because they really helped me consolidate the tech stack and innovate beyond what I was already doing. And that saved on money, and it helped improve performance. My email performance has greatly improved. My open rates, at some points were kind of as low as 17%. And now the lowest I'm seeing them, I don't know, 30%, 40%. I'm seeing email campaigns with open rates of 60%. We're doing really great now. I have increased sales attributed to those campaigns, both email and text. And those product recommendations on the website are now reflecting the customer's experience in the store. So it's informed on what people are purchasing in store. And we're also delivering to the customer product recommendations to help them complete their room. And they are seeing the products that are displayed on the floor, like with that sofa they're looking to purchase, the same things they saw on the floor when they were in store is the same products that we're serving up in the recommendations. And then we've got some really great algorithms beyond that to help grow the customer interest and increase the ticket. And also the Meta ads, integrating my product catalog with Meta and trying to create a supplementary feed to deliver to the customer some image cards that we were generating from Maestra that overlaid badges that highlight different features and benefits of our products, like this product is made in USA, or this product features solid wood. It was very important for me to get that product feed or those product images into the product feed on Meta. And I couldn't use the third-party app that I was using for my product feed. I'm on Shopify, so I had to use Meta's app for Shopify, and it wasn't keeping in sync. So those images would update in real time whenever a price changed on my website, but the images were not in sync in Meta's product catalog using their app. So Maestra came to the rescue by creating a custom solution, a custom feed that I send directly into Meta, and I bypass the Meta app for Shopify. I finally got that product feed working, and it is delivering a 300% increase in sales from Meta ads on my website. So honestly, coming from the home furnishings space, I recommend anybody doing any kind of similar retail to this to check out Maestra, because they can unify that whole experience of your in-store and the online. I really think they're capable of overcoming any challenge your business needs. So, with that being said, Maestra is my go-to for all things email, text, lead capture, website personalization, and ad optimization.
Okay, I think that's everything.
Thank you, everybody. A little walk-off camera moment.